So hello and welcome back to the new video of the Postman tutorial series. So in this video we will be learning Postman monitors. So what is the monitor in Postman, how we can create a monitor, and we'll understand, we'll see one collection and we'll create a monitor on top of it. Okay. So before that we have to understand what is monitor exactly in Postman. Okay. So Postman monitors give you a continuous visibility into the health and performance of your APIs. Collection-based monitors enables you to run API test scripts, chain together multiple requests and validate the critical API flows. Okay, so it is nothing but a automation, but it like suppose if you have one collection inside which you have 5 to 6 methods over there. Let me just get into my Postman. Like here you can see there are many get and post methods requests that I have done here inside the bookstore API, and I wanted to keep an eye on this get and post methods request, and I want to check periodically whether my API is working fine and what is the performance and status of my API. Then in that case I can create one monitor, and that monitor will look into the API and run a periodical test and give me the report of that test there itself in the Postman. Okay, so we will go ahead and create a monitor for this book of store API. So before that, let me just run all these tests over there, all these API calls over here, and let me just create tests for them. So I will be not doing a much amount of test over here, but what I'll be doing is I will be checking if the response time is greater below 1,000, because that is gonna be okay. It will give me a very good response time as well. I will just save this. I will cut down here and I will just run this one as well. User exists. Okay, and my response time is also inside this 100,000. Okay, just control C, and I just copy this from here, and let me just say it as 1,000, whether my it is below 1,000. Okay, let me just copy this because I needed this for entire all these. Let me just run this. User not authorized, it's fine, but save this test for this method as well. Just go here and paste this one as well. I will go here as well and just paste it. Just save. Let me go here, save this. Okay, just paste here, just save this and just paste here and just save this, and just last one, paste here and save this. Okay, so I have pasted all the tests for this bookstore API. Now we will go ahead and create one monitor for this collection. Okay, so if on the left hand side you have seen one tab called monitor, just click on that and you will see a monitor lets you run a collection periodically to check for its performance and the response. Okay, so let me just create a monitor. I will name it as my bookstore monitor. Select a collection. I will select collection bookstore API. Okay, so it should be current. There is no environment for my collection. Okay, data file is not there, and I want my. Okay, so minute timer I can't apply because I'm on a free plan. So I can select the weekly timer, and every day I want my test, and I don't want my test result on the 12 a.m. Okay, so what I can do is I can get all the results in 10 a.m. I guess. Okay, and one more thing, you can automatically select the region, and if you want you can manually also select the region, but it is not available on the free plan. You have to upgrade your plan. Then in that case you can select the region from like if your API users are from America and other than that countries, then in that case you can select those region and test your or run your monitor. Okay, I want my emails, all my receive emails on this mail. This is a dummy mail. Okay, and just notification 3. Okay, SSL validation, and I will just click on create the monitor. Okay, once I create the monitor gets created, and here you can see run button I will click on the run, and you can see the monitor is running over here. Okay, so this monitor gets run pretty quick because there are no such a complex and not more number of API methods are there. That's why the monitor gets run quickly, and the response time is also, you can see, 1.24 seconds. Failed percentage 0. I can see the report by clicking over here, and after that I can, if I scroll down, I can see how many past requests are there, how many failed requests are there. So there are no failed requests because purposefully I have created those tests so that all the tests get passed over here, and you can see all tests gets passed. Okay, so this is how you can run your if I click on run again, you can see it's running again. Now you can see. Now one more thing, at the first run, if you are getting the response time as 1.24, and now the second run you are getting the response time as 1.29. If I run again, you can see my response time again changes. So this gives you insight that there is something wrong or something there with your response time of API. So you can also debug and those errors and try to resolve that. Since I am using the dummy APIs, so I can get this fluctuation in the response time. But if you are using your own created API, then in that case you can solve that error as well. Okay, so this is how you can create a monitor and run that monitor on a periodical basis so that we can get the status of the health report of your API quick and easily. So thank you for watching this video, and one more thing guys, this is the last video of the Postman tutorial series. I hope you like this series. If you like, then do post your comments like you have liked this series, and I will see you with the new technology, with the new tech stack series. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.